I'm going to create 3 different versions of Super Mario out of 25, 100, and 500 Rubik's Cubes. So stick around because at the end of this video, I want you to leave a comment and vote for which one you like the most. Oh, and I'll also be destroying them. So first up, the 25 Rubik's Cube Mosaic. We're starting small, so it's definitely a challenge to get a ton of details in. But I'm taking us all the way back to the early days of Super Mario, so I think you're going to like this one a lot. It definitely brings back childhood memories. I personally love this one. Now let's see how the next one turns out. Now we're stepping it up a notch. 100 Rubik's Cubes. We've got a lot more cubes to work with, 4 times the amount of cubes from the previous one to be exact, which means a lot more detail. For this one, I decided to stick with the classic look, but I added an extra detail from the game, which is the green warp pipe. Now the main question is Mario going down the pipe or coming out of it? I'm just gonna leave that up to you to decide. Alright, check it out. Our mid-size 100 cube Mario is looking great, but I'm just getting warmed up. Alright, here we go. The moment you've all been waiting for. 500 Rubik's Cubes. I promise you, this one's gonna be absolutely insane. With 5 times the amount of cubes than the mid-size Mario, and 20 times the amount of cubes from the mini Mario, you know we're going all out. I'm talking shading, details, colors. It's gonna be epic. This is gonna be the ultimate tribute to our favorite plumber. It's gonna take me about 10 hours to create this piece from start to finish. Once it's complete, it'll weigh in at over 120 pounds, with a height of about 4.5 feet and a width of about 3.5 feet. So basically, this thing is massive. I'm almost done, but make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments below which one gets your vote. Three, two, one. And there you have it, the Mini Mario, the Mid-size Mario, and the Mega Mario. Which one do you like the most?